My love, believe me, I don't know that lady. I have never met her before in my life. I don't know her.
I regret ever meeting you. I regret saying yes to you. And I cursed the day I met you.
Honey, you must believe me. Are you believing that stranger over me? Honey, I don't know that lady. I don't know her.
Stop it. Don't call your heart-throb a stranger. Ken, she is carrying your child.
Honey, have I, Ken, your husband, ever lied to you?
Ken, she told me everything. Hi. Good afternoon. And how may I help you?
Where is Ken, my darling?
Excuse me?
Oh my god, he'll be so surprised to see me. Where is he?
Wait a second. Wait. I don't get
Ken?
Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Nothing has changed in this house.
I am talking to you. I mean, it is so not nice to burn into someone's house without even telling me who you are.
You must be his sister. I'm Queen, his fiancée.
His fiancée? Yeah. Really?
Where is he? I have good news for him. We're going to have a baby. Oh, where's my darling?
That sounds really good to me.
Where is he?
You're just a terrible person, Ken. I should have known. Why was I so blind to see? Why? Stop it.
I can't. Honey. Honey, stop flogging me. Stop all this. Honey, why are you flogging me? Honey, stop flogging me. Honey. Please. Stop flogging me. Honey. Why are you doing this to me? Can you live here in peace?
Don't even try anything stupid. My father is a major in the army, and he is aware that I'm here. If you do anything stupid, I'll make sure you're punished severely.
This is not happening to me. This is not happening to me. No, I'm dreaming. Ken, wake up. Ken, wake up. Wake up. Hey, this is not happening to me. Wake up, Ken, wake up. Honey, open up. Honey, you just got to hear me out. Honey, please hear me out. Oh my God. What's happening to me? Honey, Ada, baby, my love, sugar, honey, honey.
Ken, one quick question, yeah? What did I not do right? I mean, What is it that I wasn't doing too well? What is your reason for an extramarital affair?
Honey, I don't have any answer to all these questions.
Then leave me the hell alone!
Honey, I don't even know what is going on. Please try to understand me, please, honey, please. It's me, Ken, your love. Remember how we started? Remember? I don't even know that lady. I don't know her. Honey, please. It's me, your love. Honey. How did all this befall me? What is going on with me? What has befallen me? Now listen, what you are doing is evil and God is not happy with you.
Stop this drama. Come and take me to my room. Honey.
You know, Ken, I will not have you ruin my life the way your friend Ike ruined Belinda's. Enjoy your new ride, and I hope that you, darling, will have a wonderful time here.
Thank you.
Thank what? Honey. Honey, hold on. Honey, listen. Honey. You don't have to. My love, please, let's sort this out, honey, please. Honey, my love, please, let's sort this out, please. Let's sort this out. You can't do this to me. You can't leave me like this. Honey, I don't know what's going on. Don't leave me like this, honey, please.
I need to cool off.
Cool off? Honey. My love. You can't do this to me now. Let's sort this out together. Honey, please, honey.
Why did I not see this coming? If you don't leave my house this minute, I will kill you and kill myself.
Oh, you can't do anything to me. and come and show me to my room.
You don't have any room in my house.
All right. You shall see.
See? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? That's the right thing. Come back here. This is my home. My wife, get out. Get out. See, don't let me handle you. Now, get off from my normal bed. Get off my bed. What are you doing?
Watch me.
Jesus, something is not right somewhere. What is going on? What is going on?
I can't believe that Ken can do such a thing. Well, Ike has taught me never to trust anyone. I'm not surprised anyway.
You know, is it that God created men to be wicked? Or is it just nature? Maybe they naturally chose to be wicked. I loved Ken. I gave him my all. I loved him as a woman should love her husband. I kept asking him, what is it I wasn't doing well? What is his reason for an extramarital affair? What did I not do well?
You know what? I need to go talk to him.
Of what use would that be? You don't need to.
I need to go. I need to make him understand that he cannot play with your emotions. He needs to pay for the emotional damage he has caused you.
Sister, can I say something?
What?
What if that is a setup?
What's a setup? There is no setup here. He has been cheating.
Well, if I'm to advise, why not hear his own side of the story before jumping into conclusions?
Please, if you don't know what to say, concentrate and wash your clothes.
Oh, sorry, Ro.
Setup. He has been cheating. He knows what he's doing. Don't worry. Like I said before, I will go and speak to him. Mama,
Wake up, wake up.
Oh, what is it, eh? Why would you wake me up from this beautiful dream of mine?
And what's the meaning of this? How could you do such a thing?
Do what?
You finished eating since morning and you left it here.
My friend, just shut up and go inside. Get out of my sight.
What's this now? You know this is not good. It's a bad sight and very disgusting. It's not good.
Yeah. Wait, Dikeh, let me ask you one question. So you do not know how to take care of a lady that wants to take you to America? A lady that wants to show you to the world?
But you know I'm just telling you the truth. No, this is not good. I just told you the truth.
Just shut up! Shut up! Make sure you talk too much. You need a cooker. They make a wine. Just take these things inside. Go and wash them. Go take them out. Get out! Go! Ah. You don't want to go to America, ba? You don't want to go?
I'm sorry, I just want to take it.
Stand up. I don't want to stand up. Go.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
You are making noise with these things now. Carry them inside.
I'm sorry, I'm not a moment. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry. Get out. See how you just disturbed my sleep now.
Trouble easy to find me. Easy to talk. Easy to yarn. I am down.
Now, you listen. Today is the last for this in this house. I'm ready to push you out of my house, or we both die here.
You cannot do anything to me. I came here with a camera. Someone is watching, and that person is my father.
By the time they made their way through that fence, both of us would have been dead. Dead! Yes, dead! Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
What? Ken. So it's true.
No, it is not what you think. Not what you think at all. No.
What did we do to you, man?
Honey, what did you
Just. I don't know her before. I don't know this lady. I don't know her at all.
You don't know her before?
Yes.
That's not what I think.
Yes.
So the kissing was audio. So disgusting. Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy? What are you doing to me? What's the meaning of all this nonsense?
What did I do? Baby. Stop, please. Stop acting like it. Acting like a baby. Stop acting like this. What is this?
See, let me alone.
What, and why would I?
Let me. I will push you now.
If you push my friend again.
I will push you now.
Friend again.
I will.
Look at him.
I could have sworn that all men are not the same.
You confirmed it. I told you.
Sister, can I have a word with you?
No, you cannot have a word with me because I am upset. Easy when he went. Yes, these men played the first one on us. When Ken was advising me about Dikeh, I thought he was any better. But they are all dogs.
Sister, wait, can I talk? Can I have a
I
word
said you
with
cannot
Sister,
have a
come
word
now,
with me.
sister, come.
I didn't only see that girl. I saw her wearing a sexy wear, lying carelessly on the cushion. Nya, come and enter.
Sister, come now.
She's
No,
there.
Nice food.
I don't want to eat. Allow me to talk. I saw her there. I saw her.
Come
Leave
now.
me alone.
Come
Allow me
first
to talk to
now,
her.
come.
Have my girl. Leave me.
Sister, look. You don't need to sound that way before her. It will break her down.
Do you know what I saw? Udo, Mba, do you know what I saw? Hey! Ken! I saw Ken kissing that lady. Hey, you won't understand. You won't understand. I saw Ken kissing that lady. They were in a very hot romance.
Sister, please. You just have to calm down. Something is here to unravel. Just calm down. Don't say that before her.
What is yet to unravel? No, tell me, what is yet to unravel? If you were not my brother, send me propaganda. Ken onyege bribe.
Sister, Ken didn't give me any bribe. But what I'm trying to say is, look at your friend's condition. You don't need to say this. It will worsen our situation.
Ken was kissing that girl hungrily, as if he has never kissed in his life before.
Sister, whatever it is, don't say it in front of your friend. Don't say it in front of your friend.
Hi!
Sister.
Kiss. If you see kiss. If you see... If you see kiss. And she said she not say anything to her.
Come now. There's food in the house. Come, sister, come first.
Hey! All men are dogs.
Sister, come and eat now. There is food for you. Women and their problems.
How long do I have to stay there?
Queen, you will stay there till their marriage crashes.
But his wife has left already.
Oh, Queen, that does not mean his marriage has crashed. Listen, you have to be there a little longer. Soon you will understand what I mean.
Alright. When am I getting my balance?
I will give you your balance next week. You know what? You have to start going now. Finish up then. Please, be smart. Be very, very smart.
I hear you.
Sister, please, I want to talk to my wife, Ada. She's with your cousin, Belinda. I don't know if you can help me beg her so I could speak to my wife, please.
Your wife, Ada?
Yes.
I don't know anybody like that. I don't know any Ada.
No, she's with your cousin now, Belinda.
My cousin, Belinda?
Yes.
Sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. I've not met your wife before. I don't know who she is. Please, pick up my card.
Belinda, please, I want to see my wife. Can I see my wife?
She's not here.
Belinda, please, I just want to see her, please. Please, call her.
Are you deaf? I said she's not here. Does this place look like her father's compound? Go to her father's house and look for her.
Belinda, do you believe I could cheat on my wife?
All men cheat.
Belinda, I can't try it. Belinda, I can't try it. Seriously. Do you know how much I love my wife? Belinda, please call her for me, please. Please.
How much you love your wife?
Yes, with all my heart.
With what I saw in your house yesterday, I won't let you confuse me with your holier-than-thou attitude.
Belinda, it is not what you think. No, not what you saw is not what you... Have a nice day. Belinda, what you saw is not what you... It's not...
Should be on his way now. I told him a piece of my mind.
It's okay. B, I should go see my mother. I need to tell her everything that's happening.
You don't need to go anywhere. Stay here until I'm done with my arrangement to get us a house in the city. We will move in together.
I'm not sure I want to go back to the city. I am not emotionally okay for it.
You will go back to the city. Your leave will soon end. Besides, we are not going to stay in the same axis. It's okay, stop this. It's fine, it's okay.
I understand how you feel. Can we go over there?
Sure, let's go, let's go.
Seriously, I've had your wife talk to my sister ever since she came back. And believe me, she's really broken.
See, I can swear, I have never seen this girl in my heart before. I don't even know her. I don't know her.
Look, not that I doubt you, but why not ask her to leave?
Yes, but her father is an army general or so, and he said I must marry her, and I don't want any problem. I don't want problem at all.
Look, brother, if you don't ask that girl to leave, seriously, it seems as if you're guilty of the accusation.
Hey, I'm confused.
It's okay, you can start going, okay? I'll see what I can do about it.
Are you sure?
I'll try.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
If you do not take me to our bed right now, I will kill myself and my father will kill you.
Please, whatever you call yourself, Queen, please do not do anything stupid with that knife. Drop that knife.
I'm not bluffing. I will kill myself.
Please, drop that knife, please. Please, drop that knife. Please, who is it? Please, come inside. Come in. Please, drop that knife. Don't do anything stupid with that knife.
You don't know me.
Do not do anything stupid with that knife.
Bro, what's going on?
Look. Queen, what are you doing here? Do you know her?
Of course now. Who doesn't know Queen? She's one of the slay queens in my school. Useless one, you know.
I want my money now. You cannot do me all night and start telling me stories. I will tear your clothes though. You don't know me. I'm not joking here.
Wait. What are you even talking about? Do I know who you are? And which money are you talking about? Do you give me money to keep for you?
That's the story now, eh? You want to watch film, Adi? Okay, no problem.
If you want to on cinema.
Okay,
It doesn't concern me.
No problem. I will show you.
What did happen now? Wait, hey, you want to chop this man, bro?
I don't know what she's talking about. Saying I should give her money.
They go,
you
no
decide
worries.
to embarrass me on the road. Come on. Oman le kwage biko. Eh? You don't bring more about Anka Dieko.
Wait, now so you want to chop this man, bro? If I don't come here, eh?
You just spoil my show. You go find me something, no?
Find you waiting. Find you waiting. Wait, the assignment I did for you, you don't pay for him? No, you don't pay for him now. See, you better bring money for that assignment. Else, I'll give you time now. I know the joke. Take this in. Take. Are you paying for it?
For you.
Are you paying for it?
Take the job.
Good girl. You see, I know you pay for it. You're a good girl. Next time, don't fight though. Fighting is not good. Come to the hostel and collect it. Don't fight next time.
Just come here, that's my shop.
Queen, what are you doing here? She threatened to kill herself. Kill herself? Yes. Babe, again, is why now? Why do you want to kill yourself?
It's none of your business.
Oh. Makakwa. Well, since you want to kill yourself, you know me. Now you drop that knife. I will help you.
No, please don't shoot me. I don't want to die.
Sit, let's have a conversation.
Sit down. Please don't shoot me.
Who sent you?
Who? Anna? Why?
You told Dikeh you saw her kissing Bond. Please don't shoot me. I don't want to die.
Bro, let's take this girl to the police.
Take me to the police, but don't kill me.
Udo, no, please. Just take her. Leave my house. Udo, take her away from my house. I want peace.
Bro, take her out of this house. Let us take this girl to the police.
Udo, you see, once you leave this compound, take her to anywhere. But first, out of this house. Queen, please, leave my house. Get up!
Wait till we want. Don't go. See you later, bro.
Stay, Queen. To my house. Father Lord, thank you. Slay Queen in my house.
Do you know that I only used the toy gun on that girl? And she confessed that she was sent by Ike's new wife.
What?
Hey, I said it.
Udo, I appreciate the fact that you're trying to help here, but putting up all this is way too much. I mean, it's not something we can believe.
I mean, it's...
You think I'm joking? No, you think I'm joking now? Watch this. No, watch the video.
Jesus! So this dirty girl used us. This dirty girl played us.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
Don't jump into conclusion. I said it.
No. Stand up, honey. I have forgiven you. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, please. I have forgiven you.
I'm sorry, Odo.
It's okay.
I'm sorry for not trusting you at first.
It's okay, my love. I've forgiven you.
My friend, I'm happy you finally won the battle.
Let me get my bag.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I'm very happy for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
I'm so happy for you.
You're welcome. Drive safe, huh?
Honey, this way. This way, honey. This way. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, drive safe.
You are welcome. Lesson learned.
Papa, why are you doing this? You don't even want to console them.
O chief ukwu anyarugo na agba enyi n'olu. I wish it was a life sentence.
Papa, look at what you are saying. You nice to them. They're just coming back from the police station. And you're here drinking small stout, enjoying yourself. Look at your wife. Your wife slept in the police station and you did not even do anything. Not even welcome. And you are here saying all these things. Papa, this is not good. It's unfair. Papa, you are wicked.
I'll go and pack my bag.
Sorry.
I'm going back to my father's house.
I am not going to
Hey.
leave me here.
You can pack your own and follow me if you want.
Mother.
Please get me one water. Make it hot.
Okay, I'll get it now.
Ego, hurry up, oh! Ego, if you don't bring this bag, I will leave without the bag, oh! I'm going. I'm going back to my father's house. I'm going to my father's house. I'm going to my father's house.
I'm going back to my father's house. Are you not even going to beg me to stay?
You said you are going to your father's house. Oh, look at the road now. Go to your father's house. Is it wrong for a woman to go back to her father's house?
It's getting late and it's dangerous. I will not go again. I will stay. I will go tomorrow. I will go. In short, I won't even go tomorrow. I'll go on Sunday. I mean, on Monday, because tomorrow is Sunday and there's no transport.
Okay, that is better. That is better that way. So, very early on Monday morning, you go. And when you get there, greet your father for me, oh? Aye.
Look at this woman.
I said I'm going to my father's house and now I'm stout. What kind of nonsense is that?
What is that concerned with you? You are going to your father's house.
I heard what you said.
No, you didn't hear it.
I heard what you said. That you are going to your father's house. I said, this is the way. Go to your father's house.
You are supposed to be stopping me and begging me.
Stopping you? Or going to your father's house?
No!
Come here. If it's more than bring one carton plus white good. One carton and white.
Why don't you tell me
that hunger is part of the thing that is worrying you? Huh? You can drink that one. You will have to bring one carton.
I buy 2 cartons.
When you come from your father's house, make it 2 cartons.
Before I go, I buy 2 cartons. I will go for salad. Change it along na sell.
Honey? Honey, open the door. Hello, it's me. Honey?
Sir, are you looking for someone?
What kind of stupid question is that? Am I looking for someone in my house? In my own house?
Your house? That woman sold everything in your house. As it stands now, someone is living there. He's even a soldier.
Maybe you don't really know what I'm talking about. You can go. Honey?
See,
Honey?
the soldier man is very wicked. He even flogged our landlord yesterday. You better start going.
You mean someone else is living here now?
A soldier.
In my own house?
A soldier. You better start going. If he catches you here.
Hey! This is serious. This is serious. Hey! This is serious. Oh. This is serious. Hey! Switched off. Oh, switched off. Switched off. Switched off. Hey! 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 Whoa! Hey! Hey! This cannot be. This cannot be. Hey! Hey! Mba! Honey? Hey! Where will I go from here? Maybe it's a magazine. Hey! Honey? Honey?
Hey! Are you still here? The soldier man is back.
Go! Hey! My friend, please. I'm telling you, I've lost everything. Everything. Including the money I borrowed from the bank. And I ran away with everything. I am doomed. So, what do you want me to do? Okay. Please, can I stay here till I get back to my feet? Please. You're my friend. Ike, the answer to that question is no. No. When I warned you about that woman, did you listen to me? You never did. Look, Ike, I have something very important to do inside, okay? Sorry, bye.
What are you doing here? Is everything alright?
Everything is not alright, oh. I am doomed. I am doomed. I've lost everything.
But you are doomed. You've lost everything. I don't understand. But what happened?
I have nothing again. Nothing. 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 I don't have anything again.
But I don't like the way you are sounding. Talk to me now. What is going on? What really happened?
I have lost everything. I've lost all my money. My car. My shop. My... everything.
Hey, Mother, you've lost everything. Hey, all the money, the shop, everything. But how manage? It's okay now. Be a man. Is that why you want to hurt yourself? Stop. It's okay. But yeah, come, let's go home. Let's go home. Stop now, but I know you to be a strong man. Stop.
Hey.
It's okay. Please.
Oh.
Stop now. We are outside. Stop crying. Let's go.
Papa, listen to me now. Yeah? Please, help me talk to my wife. I've messed up.
Do you know that you are wicked and stupid? Huh? So, if that woman did not run away with all your earnings, would you have come here saying all this rubbish? Huh? Please, get away from my side.
Papa, please, I beg you. Yeah? Bikono, just help me talk to her. She will still listen to you. Oh?
Go and talk to her yourself. She will also listen to you. Was she not your wife? Go and talk to her yourself.
Papa.
I say go yourself. Huh? Everyone don't see video. Just go to her. Go no make fire.
You are not saying anything? If you don't have anything to say, I have something I'm dealing with you.
I'm sorry. Please. Okay. Please, I want you to help me talk to Belinda. Please.
Now you want me to help you talk to Belinda?
Yes, please. Tell her to forgive me. Biko.
Well, she's not in the village right now. When she returns, I will talk to her.
Thank you very much. I will appreciate.
Can I go now? I know why you're here. Now let me ask you this. Don't you have shame at all? Don't you have shame? I heard everything your family did to Belinda. And here you are telling me to talk to her.
Choma, to be honest with you, it was my mother who initiated everything. Me, Ego. I am not wicked though. I'm not a wicked person. In fact, I don't even know what came over me. Seriously. Eh?
It was your mother that initiated it and you supported her. Ego, you are a wicked person. You are wicked and heartless. And I dislike heartless people.
Choma, why are you sounding this way now? Please calm down. See, All I want from you, since you are her best friend, is for you to please help us talk to her. Tell her that we are very, very sorry. Please.
So because your brother's new wife has absconded with his money, in fact, all his money, that is why you're here, telling me to talk to her. Okay. You can even go and talk to her yourself. After all, your brother just left here now. You can go and talk to her. Just get out. Leave here. Get out.
Hey. Oh. This is how we've lost everything. The American dream. How? American dream, YAG. Belinda, IAG. Okwaka kaibaya o, waka ukwa mbikoni.
Mana where ya chukunaka, mama. Where ya chiginaka, mama.
So that stupid boy still has the mind to talk to my sister that way. He's lucky he didn't meet up with me. I could have given him a serious punch, a serious one.
I always knew that boy was a failure. Yes, I knew God was going to punish him. Can you imagine? Anyways, when are you going back to school?
School, I don't know, not anytime soon.
You have to go back, oh. You have to go back before you kill someone in this village. Especially that riffraff that calls himself Ike.
He deserves to die. He's very stupid.
It's okay.
Anyways, I should be going to get snow for my father.
Papa, snow. All right now, let me go. I'll come to the house later. Okay.
All right then, later.
Yeah, right.
Going with your back?
My father sent me out of the house. And my landlord also gave me a quick notice. I told you to use condom. I told you I want you. But you never
Hey. Don't just go there. Don't even start it now. Don't start with this your useless blame game. Huh? Okay, now you want to start blaming me. Did you not enjoy it? Did you not enjoy it?
We both enjoy it.
So why are you blaming me? Stop crying now. Allow me to think. Let me think well. This your stupid cry. I don't understand it.
Don't shout at me, oh. Don't shout, oh.
Come, see. There is this money I'm expecting from my brother overseas. You know what will happen there? Just find somewhere and sit down. Let me run around for it. Once I get it, I'll call you. Just find somewhere and sit down. Stop crying now. Clean these tears. Just find somewhere and sit down. Hello, babe. Yeah, babe, what's up? How far now? When do we continue with this business? Tomorrow. Okay, please, I can't wait. I can't wait. All right. Oscar, seriously, I am in a big shit. A very big shit right now. You know that my girl, that her father is a retired soldier.
Your girlfriend or one of your girls? Because I know you. Which one?
The slim one now.
Slim fair
Fine,
girl.
one of my girlfriends. The slim one.
What about her?
She's pregnant. That girl is pregnant. That girl is a stupid girl. She allowed herself to get pregnant. And now I don't know what to do.
Can you hear yourself talk? She allowed herself get pregnant. I don't know. What are you saying? You impregnated the girl or she allowed herself get pregnant? I don't know. How come?
See, Oscar. This is not the issue right now. I am confused. I don't know what to do because I don't have any money. I don't have any money for abortion. I don't.
What did you say? About what?
I don't have any money for abortion now.
It's better you don't even have money. It's better you don't have money because I don't even expect you to talk about abortion now.
Why?
It's like you don't know that girl.
I am not ready for the pregnancy.
Oga, you have done it too. You have done it already, so don't even think of abortion. It's like you don't know that girl. You know her grandmother.
What about her grandmother?
So you don't know that her grandmother is a witch. You don't know.
Wait. You mean you knew the grandmother is a witch? A bad person all this while and you couldn't tell me?
My guy, you're not scared now. Why will I tell you? If I tell you, will you listen to me?
Anyway, that is not the issue right now. See, you know you've always been my guy. My right-hand man. Yeah? My man.
Forget it, isn't. Say what you want to say.
See, I'm actually thinking. You are the only friend I can come to in terms of issue like this. You know now, as my personal person.
I know.
See, I'm thinking, suggesting, you know, since you are the only son in your father's house, maybe I can bring the girl to come and stay with you for now, while I try to sort out myself. You know, I'm still hustling for the money. Once I get the money, I will get her a better place. Then I will come and take her out from your house.
Stop this rubbish. Go and shave so that you reason well. Reason like me. I should allow a pregnant girl to stay in my house. As what, now, maid? Okay, you want my father to kill me because of something you did. Your own stupidity. Did you go here, mom gave me? See, this is your cross. You have to carry it. It's either you take her to your house or you look for somewhere else. For here, road no deal. Sorry. If there's anything you want to say, you can say it so that we'll discuss another thing.
I don't believe this. I honestly, I don't believe this. You are the only son. This is your father's house, no doubt. You are in charge of this house. If you keep this girl here, nobody will know she's here.
Decision maker.
Just do this thing for your guy now.
Decision maker. The only son. The only son, then I should be importing pregnant girls in the house.
Ordinary help, you can't even help.
How many months, sir?
You sure you're able to say?
How many months, God?
I just let me die. Don't answer me. See, I have tried my best to see if I could realize the money, but all my efforts yielded nothing. For now. So what will happen is this: you just have to go and find somewhere to just stay for now, while I stay hustling for the money. Once I get it, I will send for you.
Are you mad? Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go? I told you my father just sent me out of the house and you are telling me to go. Where do you want me to go? I'm carrying your baby and you need to solve my problem.
Wait, B. Wait. Oh. Now you are insulting me. No, you are insulting me, right?
Please don't shout at me. What is your problem? your responsibility. Do you know who I am? Do you know who my grandmother is? Eh?
My friend, stop shouting at me. Are you stupid?
Don't tell me that.
I am not your mate.
Okay.
I'm only trying to help you here.
Trying to help
shouting.
me. Do you know who I am? Or
who are you?
Do you know where I come from?
Who are you? You're just making noise.
I'm making noise. Are you ready to take your responsibility now? Or you want me to smash this egg right now and you will fall dead? I'm not joking.
Sorry. Did I even say? I'm sorry. Your wish is my command. See, am I stupid? I will never ever try to query you. Where did you bring this egg from? Eh? Sorry, see. Don't worry, we'll just go inside. No. Your wish is my command, bro. Please, just put it inside first. Put it inside. Put it from where you bring it out. Put it now. I'm sorry, it will happen again.
That guy is a mugu. Well, I got my payback for everything he did to me when he broke my heart.
Wow. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
And the more interesting part of it is that I've got money.
Money? This is money. Wow. Wow, baby, this is good. So, baby, what do you think? I suggest we put it in the bank.
Hell no. Babe, we can't. We will not put it in the bank, okay? Listen, we will change this money to dollars and leave this country immediately. Yes.
Wow. Wow. You got a good point. No, this is good. You know, you are a genius.
Yes.
And that is why I love you so much.
I love you too. Listen, I have everything well planned. So, we need to start making arrangements of how to go and change the money.
Yeah.
Okay?
You're right.
Then after that, we're gone.
Anything you say, we'll do.
I'm so happy.
You are my princess, my queen. How do I live with this money? Oh.
Hey, babe.
Yeah. Sugar.
Yeah.
I serve it well chilled.
Okay.
You will like it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Well chilled.
Yeah. You can say that again. Take more.
Baby.
Uh-huh.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, see, let's just say I am really, really very grateful for the great, wonderful fortune. Thank you very much.
Sweetheart.
Yes.
You don't have to thank me. Listen, I did this for us. Besides, very soon we will leave this country for good.
I don't think so.
How?
You know what? Let's just say, by the time you are done taking this juice, baby, you will understand what I'm saying.
Bond,
Uh-huh.
what did you do?
Nothing special, nothing new.
What do you mean by the time I am done taking this and...
Oh, come on, baby. Has it started?
Bond. Oh no. Bond. Oh.
Yes, just
Oh.
take it easy.
Oh. Bond. My stomach.
Oh, don't worry, it will get better, okay?
Bond! What did you do to me? What did you do to me?
Leave me alone. Bitch.
Oh my god. Bond! Bond, please! Bond, don't leave me!
Baby,
Yes,
I am happy I have you.
same thing. You're the best.
Do you
No,
want?
because this.
Is that enough?
Mm.
There you go.
Ah.
Do you like it?
Very delicious.
It's more.
Anything from you, always delicious.
Thank you, baby. Go on.
Ah, you have to clean up the apple.
Yes, it's for you.
Maybe let me give it to you.
No, this is especially for you.
Are you serious?
Yes. Go ahead. Enjoy.
Okay. If you say so, no problem.
I said so.
You know, everything for me is always delicious, so I take it.
I'm glad you like it.
Of course, I do.
This might be the last you will eat.
What?
Nothing. Go on, enjoy it.
Come on, it can be naughty sometimes, you know.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Eat up, eat up. Again. Come here. Enjoy. Eat.
Sugar.
Baby! Go on, eat.
What do you say you want to talk to me about?
Please, sir, please, I beg of you, help me talk to my wife. I've realized my mistakes. Please.
You want me to help you talk to Belinda?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay.
I really want her to know that I am sorry for what I did.
Why not follow me to their house? When we get there, you can talk to her yourself.
Okay, it's okay.
I was about going to their house when you came. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Why shout me my name? You know that.
So you've not heard? Heard what? Ego that Belinda is getting married to the Commissioner of Police, PA. Yes, and you are here.
Belinda is getting married. Belinda.
Ego, Belinda.
Belinda.
Who is, wait, which Belinda are you talking about? Ego, your brother's ex-wife now. She's the one I'm talking about. That is getting married to that man that I told you now. So you've not heard?
I've not heard though.
Hey, Ego, you need to go and see for yourself. Yes.
Look, I'm sweating.
You are sweating?
Yes.
In
this summertime, I'm sweating.
I'm coming.
Where is it happening?
It's not true. Belinda. Ah, my brother is dead.
Hey, Mama! Mama here!
Hello? What happened? What? Who? Bond? I don't understand. Bond dead? Just tell me you're joking. How? When? Where? Jesus. Okay. Hello, B. B, listen. I just got the news now that Bond is dead.
What? Just tell me you are joking.
B, I'm serious. I'm not joking. I can't be joking with this kind of news now.
How? How did it happen?
Hi. I don't know.
Hi. Hey! Bondo! What do I tell my father?
I really don't know what is keeping my brother.
Well, I think we are not in a hurry.
My brother, I would have come since so. I want to find a just. Nah, call her die.
I love again, Belinda.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Hey,
it's a very good day. Adama, Nubuada. Nubuada. Ah, Nubuada. What are these ones? Adam Oma. What a good one. Almost young. Oh, no, what dear. I quit the wine. I don't want. If not, whatever. No. If not, whatever.
Let the show continue. Let the show continue.
When?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah, so.
I got to look at one man. One number.
Oh, no. May our ancestors bless your coming together. Your coming together shall be of happiness. You shall have both male and female children. You shall grow old to see your children's children. You shall grow old to see your children's children's children. And so shall it be.
Hey.
When?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
When?
Hey. Oh my God. I am happy. Don't talk about the Okay.
otego